Yehudai of Dov-E. He's the CEO of Dov-E. And you may have heard of ultrasound for detecting babies in the womb. Or you may have heard of ultrasound for therapeutic uses like ablating tumors. But did you know that you could use ultrasound to communicate with mobile devices? Yehudai, can you tell us more about this?
Yeah, so as you said, basically we provide the capability to turn any speaker out there to a device which can interact with our mobile device. We're providing two capabilities. One of them is short-range communication, typically used for payment, for login, for authentication. And we also provide another capability which is long-range in order to send promotions from any speaker out there. It could be television, it could be radio.
So when there's a speaker in some location, whether it's a television speaker or a radio speaker, it emits ultrasonic waves, the kind that dogs can hear?
Yeah, while dogs can hear, the way we transmit it would not bother them. And yeah, basically it is everywhere. Nobody is using it nowadays, and we're treating that as a resource which is yet to be used in order to interact with our mobiles.
Why is it more secure to pay people through ultrasound than other means?
Okay, so the way we implement payment, and specifically, is that the merchant side is basically sending an ultrasonic number which represents an offer to a business proposition. So that number is really not a secret. The mobile device, which is connected to the server through a secure way like SSL, which is used for banks application or so, receive that number and send it to the server and get back from the server the context of that deal. So basically, no secret information is being swapped between the consumer and the merchant. And the payment is done where it should be, safe, between two servers and not between the client and the point of sale itself.
So Coca-Cola is one of your clients, or how does it work with the Coca-Cola vending machine?
Okay, so the Coca-Cola vending machine is a unique case. The problem, which should be explained first, is the fact that there are millions of vending machines out there which are not connected to the internet. So how can you enable mobile payment on such devices which will do real-time authentication of the consumer? The way we do it is by putting a low-cost device inside the vending machine which has a microphone and a speaker. And that device interacts with the mobile device, microphone and speaker, in a two-way audio communication. And it basically interacts through the mobile device with the server to authenticate the consumer. By that, we benefit three things. So one is mobile payment. The second thing is while we do the payment, we actually send inventory information from the vending machine to the server, letting it know if it's full or empty. And the third thing is 99% of the time when the machine is not busy making payment, it basically sends promotion using the long mode to the pedestrians.
So it's basically IoT on the cheap. It's a lot cheaper than having sensors in your machine.
Yeah, indeed, a lot more cheaper. It doesn't involve the roaming cost for the vending machine, just one-time hardware costs.
What stage are you at right now in your company?
So right now we're doing cooperations with companies like Coca-Cola and Amdocs for applications of digital wallet. And we're working on new cases on television, which is very, very interesting. Yeah, and we're pretty new. We're a year and a half. We got our first investment a few months ago, and we're very excited. And
thank you so much, Yehudai.
Thank you very much. Thank you.